Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm looking at one of my portulacaria afra lilliput trees, and it's time just to give it a quick maintenance prune. I think it's been a little over a month, maybe 6 weeks since its last prune. Give you a look at it here, and then I'll be spinning it around on my bench because you can see this is kind of facing the sun more and the other side is away from it, so everything's kind of wanting to grow towards the sun. So I'll reposition it on the bench and we'll balance out this side. But fairly quick video today. We're just going to give it a quick haircut and get it back in shape, because the more you prune on these guys, the thicker and the more dense the canopy gets. So if you can, just try to stay up on pruning. It's the quickest way to get a dense canopy, especially now, you know, first part of June, summertime. Hopefully everybody's got their tropical trees back outside where they're growing fast. Mine sure are. And the key is to not let them go too long between prunings, so you can get that thick canopy on top. And then here I've got this branch that's kind of growing down, so get rid of that. I think that's going to just about do it. But you can see how tiny, just love these lilliputs. You can see how tiny these leaves are. They're just, you know, super small, which they lend themselves to keeping these kind of a smaller tree, because you can see this tree's got some age to it. It's got a decent root flare, but the whole canopy is not any bigger than my hand, but it's nice and full. It looks like a mature tree just because of the tight canopy on top. And this tree's probably been in development maybe 3 years from a cutting. I'm not sure, maybe 4. Kind of lose track, but somewhere in that time frame. Yeah, so I think that's going to just about get us there. And I got this wire under here holding this branch up. I'm not sure if I still need that. Let me see if I can bend that down and I don't think I need it. No, I think I can get rid of it. And all I had, it was just what I call a hook. I had this over the top branch here, and then this under the bottom branch, just kind of holding it up. But it's staying in place now, so it looks pretty good up underneath there. Yeah, happy with that. All right, I think that's going to do it. Let me give you a quick spin around. There's the front. There's the left side. There's the back. Right side. And back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.